Roblox Bedwars is a super fun game that's actually based off of Minecraft's minigame called Bedwars. However, there are differences in both of these games, and the Roblox one has a lot of cool features that aren't in Minecraft Bedwars. But if you're interested in joining a game with your friends on Roblox Bedwars, then this video is for you. So once you join Roblox Bedwars, all you want to do is click create a party. And then your friend should also be in that same server. So then you just click the plus button by their name. And then once they join your party, they'll show up right here. In order for them to see your party invite, it's going to pop up over here and they can click accept or deny. You'll want them to accept it. And then after you have them in your party, you click the play button and then you click whichever you are interested in. For example, if you want a 1v1, you should probably play win streak. Or if you have more people in your party, then you can click squads, doubles, solos, 5v5, voice chat, etc., whichever. And it's that easy. However, if you want to create a private match on creative, all you need to do is click creative and then click create a game, and then you can select the game mode right here. You can make it private, and then you can select the map. So I'll just click create match, and then once you're here, it'll show you your join code right about here. And people who know that join code can join you. And that's how to join a private game with your friends on Roblox Bedwars. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment down below if this helped you out. Thank you so much for watching.